For various architectural objects such as the rooms, the building envelope entities, doors and windows, we can compose data schedules and tables with detailed information regarding their composition. Let's double-click on this node here and open the table. The room table contains information for each room regarding the architectural zone, the metric data, surface, volume and perimeter info. The openings with glass surfaces, the air to light ratio, which takes into account the paved surfaces against the glazed surfaces, then we have the number of doors and windows, the height reference system and the materials. The room perimeter and the ceiling surface. The building envelope table contains information for each building envelope entity, such as the walls, slabs and so on. These with regard to their material layer composition, geometry and materials. We also have the height reference system data and materials. The door and window schedule table both contain information regarding their model, geometry and general characteristics. Data can easily be reorganized and sorted using the IntelliGrid to filter the data or group different items, such as the door type, for example. With the grid view options, we can view the table as a grid or as a simple sheet. We can print on paper or export to Excel, HTML, XML or normal text formats. This data is directly linked to the objects. So if we double click on a data row, we are redirected to the corresponding object in the floor plan view.